Welcome students, we're discussing this chapter determinant and we already know how to find the determinant value and how to use its properties for finding the determinant value. So some important problems from the determinant. So here is the first problem taken from this Adi Sharma, and this is also from CBSE question year 2018. So using the properties, you need to find out this determinant value is given by 9 into 3xyz plus xy plus yz plus zx. So this factor you need to find out first from this determinant. So look at here. So this is this LHS portion. Now look at here. You need to find this 3xyz. Here 3y is present. If you multiply this column by x and z, x into z, so what you will find? xz plus 3xz xyz and then xz, and similarly just column 2 and column 3, same type of operation, just put in column 2 for column 2 and column 3. So multiply this column 1 by xz and column 2 by xy and column 3 by yz. So these are the operation. Just follow the operation, and since I am multiplying this one, so divide this, divide the determinant by x square, y square, z square. Now look at here. If we add this element, this and this, you will find this factor. Okay, so the next operation is just add these columns. That is, jump here and write down this C3 dash is YZ C3, and just add this C1 dash is given by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, now take common this term 3xyz plus xy plus yz and write it down here, taking common 3xyz plus xy plus yz plus zx from where? C1. Now make this element and this element 0. That is R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. So write it down. That is R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. So I'm not repeating the calculations. So you will find this determinant. If you just break this determinant with respect to the first column, so what you will find? This into this, that is 0, minus of this into this, that is minus of minus, that is plus 9 x square, y square, z square. So just write it down, this term into 9x square, y square, z square. So cancel this 9x square, y square, z square. So the remaining term is 9 into xy, 3xyz plus xy plus yz plus zx. So this is proved. You need to show this one only. So moving to the next problem. This determinant is 0, then you need to find the value of a by x plus b by y plus c by z. So write down this determinant, that is the equation. Now you need to find first a by x, b by y, c by z. So that means you need to take common x, y, z. So from the first, second and third column. So taking common, so write it down, taking common x from C1, y from C2 and z from C3. So these are the operation, taking common. Now look at that. If we add them, this first, second and third element. So what you will find, a by x plus b by y plus c by z minus 2. And for each row you will find the same, right? So add the columns, that is c1 dash is given by c1 plus c2 plus c3. Okay, now again same thing, just take common this term. So you can write down this x y z, a by x plus b by y plus c by z minus 2 into this determinant. Now look at the first column, 1 1 1. So now you need to make this element and this element 0. So that means same type of operation, that is r2 minus r1, r2 dash is equal to r2 minus r1, and r3 dash is equal to r3 minus r1, r3 minus r1. So now look at here, this is what, lower triangular. So that means this multiplied by this should be equals to 0, right? Now if this term is 0, so what you can say, this xyz, either xyz is 0 or a by x plus b by y plus c by z minus 2 is 0. Now look at here, given that these are non-zero quantity, so that means x into y into z is also non-zero. So from here you can write a by x plus b by y plus c by z minus 2 is 0, that is this value is given by 2. So this is the answer. Right? So go through this full solution and just write down the solution. So moving to the next problem, determinant equation is given. Now you need to prove that this 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c plus 1 is equals to 0. So firstly, this is given 1 plus a, 1 1, this first row. Now if we take common a, b and c, so I'm taking common a from c1 and b from c2. So write it down here, taking common a from c1, b from c2, c from c3. So these are the operation. Now after taking common, if we add these columns, this term, this term and this term, you will find this value. So add them, that is c1 dash is given by c1 plus c2 plus c3. Now look at here, since a, b, c is non-zero given, so I can take only this determinant value as a 0. So I'm not writing down this factor a, b, c. Now taking common 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c plus 1 into the determinant. So look at this determinant, look at the first column, 1, 1 and 1. So 3 elements are 1, so make this one and this one 0. So that means R2 dash is equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is R3 minus R1. So write it down, R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. And here also write down that taking common, no space is there, so I'm not writing down. So write down here taking common, okay, this term from this column 1. Now look at here, this is the lower triangular, that means the value of this determinant is just multiply this diagonal elements. So that means this value is equals to 0. And this you need to prove that, so we proved it. So moving to the next problem. Solve this determinant, that means you need to find the value of theta. So this is this given determinant. Now look at here, if we add this column and this column, so what you will find? this first column is given by 1, 1 and 3. So what we are doing, C1 dash is given by C1 plus C2, right? Now look at here. Now make this element and this element 0. That is R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is given by R3 minus 3R1. Right? So write it down. So 0, 10 and then cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta and 20 and then 2 minus 3 sin 3 theta. Now just break this determinant with respect to the first column. So you will find and take common this 10 from here. So you will find this 2 minus 3 sin theta minus 2 cos 2 theta minus of minus plus, that is 2 sin 3 theta. Clear? Now sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta. So simplify it. So 10 is non-zero, so we can write down this factor is 0, that is 2 minus sin 3 theta minus 2 cos 2 theta is equals to 0. Now take 2 common from this 2 term. So it will be 1 minus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. So 2 to the 4, 4 sin square theta and break this sin 3 theta into the formula. So 3 sin theta plus 4 sin cube theta. Now take sin theta common. So 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 is 0. So either sin theta will be 0 or this term will be 0. So I'm taking this first, this term, and then we will talk about the sin theta. So if sin theta is non-zero, then this term is 0. Now add. Now look at here, 4 sin square theta, that is 2 sin theta the whole square plus 2 into 2 sin theta plus 1. Just take this 3 into the right hand side and just add 1 into both sides. You will find this 2 sin theta plus 1, that is a plus beta whole square formula. You will find 2 sin theta plus 1 the whole square is 4. Since this is equals to 4, so 2 sin theta plus 1 is plus minus 2. Now 2 value will arise. One is minus 3 by 2, which is greater than 1, so we will not take this value. So here I am taking only this value. So write it down here also that sin theta is not equal to, never be equal to 3 by 2. Right? So if sin theta is half, that means we can write down the general value for it, for the theta is given by n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n into pi by 6. So this is one of the value of theta. And if the sin theta is 0, that means theta is what? N pi. So these are the answers. This one and this one. The solutions for theta. Moving to the next problem. So solve this determinant. You need to find the value of this x. And look at this previous 2 classes. We already solved this type of problems. That is, we already find the value of this determinant in previous class. So now here you need to find the value of x. So what we will did that time? So did the same operation. That is adding them. That is C1 dash is given by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, so 3x plus a. Now take common this 3x plus a from the first column and write it down. Taking common is 3x plus a from C1. So now after taking common, look at the first column. 1, 1, 1. So make this 2 elements 0. That is R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. So now look at here, this is lower triangular, and so this means the value of this determinant is a square. So a square, since a square is non-zero, so we can write down only this 3x plus a is equals to 0, and then x is equals to, you can write down, then x is equal to this minus a by 3. So this is the answer. Okay, so moving to the next problem. If this is equal to 0, you need to show that p by p minus a plus q by q minus b and r by r minus c. You need to find the value of this portion where p is not equal to a, that is the denominator is non-zero. This meaning of this condition is denominator is non-zero. So firstly write down this equation. Now find the factor, this p minus a, q minus b, r minus c. So if we just subtract this row 1 minus row 3, that is row 1 dash is given by row 1 minus row 3, and row 2 dash is given by row 2 minus row 3. So look at here, p minus a and a minus a 0, then b minus b 0, q minus b, and then c minus r and c minus r. Now take common this p minus a, q minus b and c minus r. So taking common p minus a, q minus b and c minus r. So the determinant will look like that. Now look at here. If we talk about the first row, this 1, this is 0, this is 0. So make this element 0 only. So you can then easily break this determinant and find the value. So that means this column 3 minus column 1. So that means this element will be 0. So column 3 dash is given by C3 minus C1. Okay. So now look at that. Now you can break this determinant, this into this minus this into this. So write it down. Since this is non-zero, it's already given. So I'm not writing this factors again. So I'm writing this only the determinant value, that is r by c minus r minus a by p minus a minus of b by q minus b. Now just take the minus common from the first term, that is minus of r minus c, and this is minus of a by p minus a minus 1. Now minus 1, this minus 1 add in both sides 2 times, that is minus 2, and just a by p minus a minus 1 and minus of b by q minus b minus 1. Now simplify this 2 portion, these 2 terms. So you will find this value is given by r minus c plus p by p minus a by plus q by q minus b. So look at here, if you go through this calculation, so it will look like that, a by p minus a, minus of this minus 1. So you will find this is minus of p by p minus a, right? And then moving to the next one, this is minus b by q minus b is minus 1. So it is minus of q by q minus b. Now look at here, minus of r by r minus c, minus of this, minus of this. So take minus common, so all the terms will be positive. So r by r minus c plus p by p minus a plus q by q minus b is equals to 2. So this is the value. So moving to the next one. This is given, this is 0, you need to show where alpha, beta, gamma are in AP. So if these 3 terms are AP, so we can write down A plus gamma is equal to 2 beta. So write down this determinant first. X minus 3, x minus 4, x minus alpha, and this 9 terms. So write it down. Now multiply the second row by 2. Since I am multiplying, I need to divide this. So I am writing down this R2 dash is given by 2R2. Now look at here. If we add this R1, R3, so what you will find? So x plus alpha plus x minus gamma. X minus alpha and then x minus gamma. Now minus of 2x minus 2 beta. So what you will find? Look at here, x plus x, 2x minus 2x. And this one be minus alpha minus gamma plus 2 beta. This value is 0 from this equation, and 2 minus 2x minus 2x is also 0. So ultimately this value is given by 0, right? So apply this operation. So R1 plus R3 minus R2. So R1 dash is given by R1 plus R3 minus R2. So look at here, this first column and the second column, this term is also 0. So calculate it, you will find this term also 0. Okay, I'm not showing the calculation here. You just calculate by yourself. This x minus 3 plus x minus 1 and then minus of minus in the first bracket 2x minus 4. Do this, you will find this first row is 0. All the elements of the first row is 0. Since all the elements of the first row is 0, so we can write down this value is 0. Since we know the property, that is, if all the elements of any row or column is 0, so determinant value will be 0. So we proved it. So write it down. Proved. So moving to the next problem. This determinant value is given by 2 into a minus b minus c minus a plus b plus c. So you can find this, different types of this type of problems where you just need to apply this properties of determinant and find the determinant value. Same type of problems and so many problems are there. They are very close to each other. So most of the time operation are also same type we need to use there. So look at this determinant. Just firstly take common this 2 from this second column. So firstly take common and write it down that it's taking common 2 from C2. So you will find this 3 elements 1. Now make this element and this element 0. That means row 2 dash is given by this, or you can make this element and this element also 0, whatever you want to show. This is here I am taking this first and second element. R1 dash is given by R1 minus R3 and R2 dash is given by R1 R2 minus R3. So apply these two operation. So now you can break this determinant with respect to this column, that is column 2. So according to this element you can break it. So that means minus of 2 into, taking common this a minus c and b minus c and write it down this order to determinant in this form. So this into this minus this into this. So write it down. 2 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a plus b plus c. Now look at here, if you solve this one, that is a square plus ac plus c square minus b square minus bc minus c square. So c square cancel, and this is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and taking common this c. So this is a minus b. So now take a minus b common. So you will find this is a plus b plus c. And adjust this minus with this factor, this c minus a. So it will be a minus c is there. So it will be c minus a. So this is proved. So moving to the next one. So if any problem or any doubt is there, you're free to ask. Thank you.